Mad Sus, you gone your feelings again, Mad Sus. Mad Sus, remember, me is a content creator, you know. J Progress Entertainment is a business.
A few moments later.
And crowd and Sumfest crowd are two different crowd. So if Vybz Kartel feels say, he might go a reggae land with Sumfest performance and he go well for him. He might have another thing coming.
2,000 years later.
Me feel like me need to clear up this for a lot of you. Cause me get 100 million comment. Every video you do a Vybz Kartel, this, that, ray. No. Let me tell you something. I don't give tough chat on social media. Tough chat on social media is not for J Progress. Truth on social media is J Progress. And the only reason why sometimes it sound like tough chat to you, because no for you don't like hear the truth.
One eternity later.
The problem I have with the Gaza is the disrespect and the belittlement and the less of value where them put for a woman. That's one of the problems me have with the Gaza. You don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media facts. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that about to represent fully.
Go on, you don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah man, you know the thing said. You see, so see J Frey a call out Mad Sus, you see me? You don't know Mad Sus go to work, he's a brother way. Him love going at people comment and all of them little thing there. I see when Alkaline do him little post with the UK interview with the girl and the man in a comment I talk about, yo, stop tell lie dog. Yo, stop tell lie. A Vybz Kartel inspire you and what? I said, brother, we don't have nothing to do. We don't want man bow down to one man, bow down to man, so. Charge you, but J Progress, tell him what I go on now.
Mad Sus, you gone your feelings again, Mad Sus. Mad Sus, remember, me is a content creator, you know. J Progress Entertainment is a business. This is my job, creating content. So every content when me create, of course my money I go add up. Me run a business, right? Further from that. Mad Sus, you are meant to be the Gaza prefect. So Mad Sus, how did you make Pretty Dan come in a class? Mad Sus, how did you make Triple X come in a class? Me have to ask you now in the Mad Sus, when did the Gaza come to this? Mad Sus, you know, so when me I rep the Gaza, I ain't never seen nobody like them in the Gaza. So what happened all of a sudden? How did Pretty Dan reach in a class and they would just say about rep Gaza and this for Gaza? From the alphabet group, Mad Sus. Mad Sus, oh, Triple X, Mad Sus. And this me can't understand, you know. You take the time out, Mad Sus. Fear say, boy, TikTok money and we. But Mad Sus, you are the prefect for the Gaza, everything will fly past you. You nah monitor the Gaza good. Cartel need to fire you. Because you nah do your job. Oh, a man like Triple X. Born nose handbag, woman clothes. Reaching the Gaza. You tell me that now. Pretty Dan? I read the Gaza?
Well, them no care who, you know. You see me, I could have L, could have G, or BTQ. Them no care who. Once them a defend Vybz Kartel, man. Them no care. Them just want to know so them a defend Vybz Kartel or rep the Gaza. That's it. That's why it's easy if you rep for Gaza. Because once you rep and all of them little thing there, yeah, them a go just work with it. You see me? All of you usually diss Vybz Kartel 3 years ago before prison. Them no care. Just once you rep. Yeah, I saw them work.
Mad Sus, if you lose your job, Cartel will fire you. So the time you did that, watch me and TikTok money, Cartel will fire you. Because there is no way you can be the front runner and the prefect of the Gaza and have Triple X and Pretty Dan in the Gaza. And Mad Sus, by the way, me see one picture circulate with one man, woman, something that need to be explained. I would have liked to know what is going on there because me tell you say, the Gaza is not the Gaza that I once used to rep. That one I'm gonna take me jump off of the sinking ship. One I'm gonna take me jump off of the sinking ship. This ship has sink. So Mad Sus, you can stay there watch TikTok money with J Progress as a content creator. We run an entertainment business I do. And don't realize say you have Triple X alphabet group slide past you.
But one of the worst thing, people. Mad Sus there and I watch J Progress money. But when people talk about cartel, them a say him have money and all of them look at it. So them now watch people money too, man. Now watch you now watch money too. Eh? Everybody who put out a content and make a little money or something. I just so you got just content people attack. Either them opinion, them truth or the reality. You understand?
An alphabet group slide past you and they out here on a public platform I represent who? I could have never the big bad Gaza. Could have never. And crowd and some face crowd are two different crowd. So if Vybz Kartel feel say he might go a reggae land with some face performance and he go well for him. He might have another thing coming. If I don't know nothing, I can tell any dancehall artist this. You see, when you go to the UK go perform, you have to work for your money. The crowd will stand up on you. I am just here as a spectator, as a patron. Just to go and look and see how Vybz Kartel are going to deal with the regular crowd. Because if anything like some fest performance or Freedom Street, we don't know say regular crowd now move. Vybz Kartel may just find himself one of the toughest crowd to deal with in his career since he come from prison. Remember Wireless Fest, you know? Vybz Kartel did nothing at all. Well, make we see what I'm going to do at Reggae Land. Me feel like me need to clear up this for a lot of you. Cause me get 100 million comment. Every video you do a Vybz Kartel, this, that, way. No. J Progress act. Vybz Kartel act. Massacre act. Alkaline act. Skipper act. Malidan act. Valiant act. So many people in the media right now act. I think J Progress being act in the media, like him always is, can pick any artist and criticize them as him feel. Guess what? The Gaza fans them do it daily. Criticize every other artist and tear them down. So, isn't it a bit fair that there is at least one blogger who can keep the Gaza supporters them on them toes?
Yeah, man, that's how it go, man. Beat and teach. You understand? Beat and... Remember when Cartel do the video with you know? And he might beat the table and them run out. Yo, Massacre get the beating, you know. Alkaline I get the beating. Them run with the tall belt, every little thing. But when I feed them time to get the tall belt now, them a crash out, them a cry. Show them say them weak. You understand? Uno beat the artist, this so much artists. Call out too much people. Uno this up people the most in the media. Send threat. Said this, all of them look a thing there. But when a fool no time, uno play like a sympathy role. Or the usual talking, bad mind, yet all of them look at something there. But when it reached to a phone of foot, and when uno do it, and a bad mind and a hate, yeah man. Uno found out to this artist. Remember Grammy, man? Hey people? Remember when Keznam they win the Grammy and Vybz Kartel did nominate, man? You see me? And they bring down with the youth till youth have to do all interview and him. And you know what worst thing, people? Vybz Kartel have to end up all put out a statement. I say, yo, if I know him lawyer, manager, him, the statement forward from, it's not credible. You understand? For sure, you how them bring down people. Them own artists have to put out a statement and say, yo, anybody else talk otherwise from my manager, my lawyer, me, them not credible. Shame nothing. Cause nothing this up Grammy and this up Keznam. You understand? Through Keznam they win the Grammy. Them don't know the work and everything and production with the youth put in them thing, you know. It no matter if you know it or what, the campaign with the youth run, you know. And win him Grammy. A one culture, so if him win as we see him way. But no man. Vybz Kartel just come from prison after 13 years. Go through the hard pressure, all of them little thing there. No man, Grammy if you say, yo, you know say, I know really music, you know say this a man who do 13 years prison, you know, so to look away if you not give him it. And that's how it work. You understand? So, we don't bring down people the most. You understand? But when a phone time now is like, when I say, yo, lower for this name, lower for that name, lower for this. You understand? And that's how it work. We cannot criticize other people and can't take it. You see me? And I just one of them things that the more you criticize people, the more you never get it. Yeah, you see me? And sometimes I just criticize people for some unnecessary reason. You understand? If somebody call the word king, ready, yo, I who that? Not even a career yet. Very. It's like wanna copyright the word king, you know. If somebody said this, problem. If somebody said this, problem. Nobody can say nothing. Once the name call with Vybz Kartel name, nobody else can say it. Like say Vybz Kartel have copyright for everything, but I saw it go. This is the media. You understand? You can't stop it, so here's more to come.
You have how many millions supporters? I bury every other's artist. And you have to tell me, say, dancehall only one space for one artist? Not in my book. I'm going to fling some dancehall big stone, no battle, no fool. We no stay there. We no think we no see nothing yet or hear nothing yet. We no continue. Some dancehall big stone I go fling, we no go afraid. Look, the whole Gaza scatter and go run up and down already. And a matter of fact, you know see how them send for. Pretty Dan. It gone bad. Poor Gaza. God help them. Let me tell you something. I don't give tough chat on social media. Tough chat on social media is not for J Progress. Truth on social media is J Progress.
And I see him thing for media facts. You understand? Man, I don't have time for getting a tough chat on the media. I don't feel like it even relevant. It not gonna really go nowhere. I just waste of time. We just there to talk the truth. And fling in my opinion at times. But you don't know. Sometimes we have files, we have everything, we show evidence and all of them thing there. And sometimes we just talk something we're done in the media and where people know already. You understand? I just we that. We don't really push badness and them look at them thing then. We don't do them thing then in the media. We just talk something about music and dancehall and you understand? Them thing there how we deal. We don't bring badness and them look at thing there. A joke thing, a waste of time thing that. Cause at the end of the day, we're there for make people listen and learn as well. So that not even gone away. You see me? Nowadays everybody bad. Everybody have links, all of them little thing there. But we just there for teach people them correct certain narrative, all of them little thing there. Yeah man, the badness thing dash one side, my G. That don't make no sense. Cause at the end of the day, that not gonna do nothing to inspire the people them. You see me? People them there for learn and understand. You see me? And listen. You see it? Yeah, sometimes we maybe can make them go look up something or, you know, get some information. And the right information too. You see me? I just say go about the badness thing now. I'm not depend that, brother. I depend that. There's some joke thing that right now. That nah. You see me? Not even YouTube too like them thing. You see me? So I want them thing there people.
And the only reason why sometimes it sound like tough chat too, because none of don't like hear the truth. You see the Gaza fans them is one of the most biased fan base and one of the most bullish type of fan base. You understand? And the most prejudiced type of fan base, the Gaza fans them. No, every single day, the Gaza fans them pick them artists for them want tear down and tear down any particular artist. And they criticize every other artist who not work hard enough, who lazy, who for song not sell, who can't perform, and all of these things. But guess what? You see, when the tables turn, when the Gaza boss, Vybz Kartel, is not doing what he's supposed to do, and he now get no hit song, and the thing now work for him, and he must struggle. Remember, the Gaza fans, them don't want to hear that. The Gaza fans, they will go up to 1999, or from 1807, and tell you what Vybz Kartel used to do. We're not talking about what he did, we are talking about no. Vybz Kartel don't have no hit song. From Vybz Kartel come from prison, him don't get a hit song. Vybz Kartel has struggled to keep up with the artists them. And when we put the truth out there, it's a different ball game. Vybz Kartel trying to keep relevant by doing all different type of things in the media, separate from dancehall.
That is it. That's facts right there. You understand? You see, when it comes to Vybz Kartel, it's just a more like a controversy conversation. Yeah, it's like people will do something before Vybz Kartel, but you see, because them people and come with controversy and these things, no, them never do it first. Vybz Kartel do it first. You understand? I saw it go. No credit no go to them because they no bring controversy, they no bring drama in the space, which that not have nothing to do with dancehall. But because Vybz Kartel have him life out there, everything, it's like a reality show. You understand? Yeah. So whatever him do, them gonna put it all at the first. You understand? Because of hype and all of them things. Same like the arenas. The arena them when do. Buju do it. Mover and I do them did do it in the arena. them performing at the arena them. It's been going on, but the thing is that the controversy is not there, so light don't show on that side. You know, Vybz Kartel fought after 13 years now and get free up to go all these countries, so the highlight of a day. You understand? Enough people who never seen perform and all, enough places where him never yet go before for them band. So I just one of them thing there. You see me? I just a hype and content. If you realize right now, Vybz Kartel we are release a bag of music, but them not talk about the music. Them are more like a talk about see them. People are call up him name. All of these things, him reach him buy a bag of house, yeah. Nothing for do dance all. I just say go. But I don't really them there. I the thing I just dance all right talk about music because why? And a house and car and them thing that make you know Vybz Kartel and music, so I have to penetrate pan. You see me?
But guess what? The Gaza fan them seem to think otherwise. So this is why when you get a blogger like J Progress now, forward, you know, and I make the world know say, listen, I think Vybz Kartel is a little bit overrated because his work is not being shown. You understand me? I say people are basing Vybz Kartel off his past success, which nobody can take anything from Vybz Kartel. He'll do what he need to do already in a dance hall. You understand? But guess what? Just like many other entertainers who have done what they needed to do, you get me? Vybz Kartel are doing content creating and all these things just to try to keep himself relevant. Fair play to him. You get me? I say, but it's not the music that is keeping Vybz Kartel relevant right now. It's the chatter and the trolling and the lifestyle and the TV and all these kind of things. Gaza fans, make we get it straight. Vybz Kartel is more a content creator right now than a musician. Vybz Kartel has done great work and has a good catalog from his past music, which is what is sustaining him today. Vybz Kartel today as a musician, surviving in the dancehall industry. Well, think again, man. The truth is not tough chat. The truth is just the truth. And this is one of the reasons why Uno, we don't like the truth, think that the truth is tough chat. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah, man. I really thought that, man. I tell people say, yeah, going to prison is not a good thing, but it's not like, you know, Vybz Kartel make himself go. You understand? That's why he did guilty at first. You understand? Yeah, that's a reality everybody know. But the thing is that what it do to his career, not seeing him while him in prison, it make everybody draw the attention to his music. 80%. Music. That's what give him the huge catalog we have now. Because of the music, when focus on and do some quality one because he maybe lock up in one space and you know him use them their road and you know him no want to use them hungry and them something there. So when him do him more focus on the music, you couldn't see him. Him forwarding out now, them man they love attention. Remember man all forward on Instagram live, you know. Russian live, you know. Them man they love your attention. That's why you see when him forward out now. The controversy thing is not the music. It's more like the lifestyle and all of these things and all of them little things there. You see me? So one of them good thing I be behind bars for him, for film career. Because picture this. You see same like we are going now. If Vybz Kartel wasn't in prison, I the same thing would have gone right now. In controversy contents and them little thing there would have overshadow in musical work. May I tell you? Same way I see now. You understand? Because people in this day and age, them love to see drama and controversy and them little thing there. That them love see what them can talk about and do on video. But the music, nah, people more love to see than to hear right now. You see me? Yeah, man.
I think I need to get one thing straight. Let me tell you something. The problem I have with the Gaza is the disrespect and the belittlement and the less of value where them put for a woman. That's one of the problems we have with the Gaza. And next thing, how biased they are and how them tear down at the artists. And think that everybody will do dancehall music supposed to kneel to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is the Gaza dancehall king, but not the king of dancehall. Make we get that correct. Right? And they will bury the truth of dancehall and what happened in a dancehall just to put
yeah, man.
forward and bury others, every other's dancehall artist. So really and truly, is a is the discrimination towards women and the belittlement and the bias and tear down of other artists. That is the problem we have with the Gaza. No. Whatever problem Foota hype have with the Gaza, that's a Foota hype problem. Me and Foota hype not on the same page. Because Foota hype look like him want to send back the man them a prison will make him happy. Me not depend that. Who got prison now, who no got prison, who did want to shoot who did kill who did want to kill who. Not my business. I am not a...
But the thing is that, you know, J Progress, where Foota say can't send them back to prison in J. You understand? You can't, remember, you know, it have evidence of it there. You can't send them back, J. And most of the thing with Foota attack, our don't go through court and the man them get it squashed already and everything. You understand? Yeah, some of the thing them people may not know. I think when matter about the boat or going on the boat or whatsoever they yet. You understand? And some little other things, you see me, but most of the thing them are happen already where get you out. So when I think of what I say, you see me, I go make them go back to prison. You see it? Yeah, you can't go back to prison where Foota say. You see me? Yeah. Because most of the time Foota say alleged, so I just one of them thing there. Foota just a troll them. And maybe just a, you know? Yeah, just come see Gaza crash out and a bag of thing. You see it? But I feel the reason why Foota start go to that extent there because them start bring up them kids and all of them little thing there. You see me? Yeah.
Police officer. Right? I am not a investigator in any way, shape or form. So that have nothing to do with me. That have the Foota hype and the Gaza problem. No. Kemar McGregor. I don't rate Kemar McGregor. Not even one little bit. Kemar McGregor move like some batty boy. Him walk, talk, flex like any fish. So me not rate them boy, they're not even from a one step away. Me not rate them none tall. So make we get that straight. So in case some little man feel like say, J Progress team up with man when him carry out him work, me not go to work like that. J Progress Entertainment stands alone and deal with anything. Cause me tell you all the while, J Progress have a problem to take on the Gaza upon him own. Who started it, who done it, who tear down the defense. Think about it now. Who everybody attack. Foota running now with different mission. Whatever film mission is, as me say, film personal vendetta against Vybz Kartel and for them thing a different thing from what J Progress are dealing with. I want to see the Gaza, Vybz Kartel, the Gaza boss, and the Gaza supporters them have more respect towards women. And I want to make the Gaza fans them and the Gaza supporters them know say Vybz Kartel is not the only entertainer in a dance hall. And Vybz Kartel, very well for artists, him and him fans them. And make it look like the artists them bad minding. And let me tell you this, Vybz Kartel is not above critics and social media. And the Gaza fans them have to get that to them head. Because every day them come out here and criticize other artists. So in case you don't want to know what is really going on, and who think me a pick side with man from who no pick side, J Progress them one thing. Foota hype them on different missions. Foota hype a send man to prison. Foota hype a police. That's a Foota hype business. Whatever him want name Kemar Flavor McGregor, him a batty boy, me no rate him none tall. Me no have nothing to do with them the boy there. You understand? And that's so the ball game play for me.
Yeah man, you see me? You know, Kemar McGregor, me even really bring up them at that conversation, you see me? He might do him thing, he might have him reason, I don't know why. You see me, I guess. You can see him troll some of the time and you know, maybe true. I guess the reason why I'm continued with it because you see him Gaza fans in them inbox and I diss him, so more them do it and more them troll. You see me? So I one of them thing, you see me? Yeah. But people, big up on yourself, you don't know one media fox funny happy, yeah man. Mad thing.